Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about Facebook Business Manager. What is Facebook Business Manager? Why do we need to create Facebook Business Manager account? And in the later part of the video, we'll show you how to create Facebook Business Manager account practically. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's get to know what is Business Manager. So for learning more about Facebook Business Manager, we'll go to the official documentation of Meta or Facebook. So you can see over here, currently we are in the official documentation of Meta. Meta Business Manager helps advertisers integrate marketing efforts across their business and with their external partner. You can use this free platform to run and track your ads, manage assets such as your pages and ad accounts, add an agency or marketing partner to help manage your business. You can keep track your work and personal life separate. A business manager is a central space to manage your business separate from your personal Facebook profile. You don't have to worry about mixing your business and personal content. Anyone can use business manager. Small to large businesses use business manager to organize their business assets and information in one place. You can use business manager to control your Facebook assets and make sure um, that the right people you have the correct access. People who have access to your page before you transfer them to business manager will maintain their access. None of your ads will be interrupted. So you can use business manager if your business has a marketing team. You have multiple people who work on your marketing or manage your Facebook or Instagram business presence. Next point is you manage assets. You manage multiple Facebook or Instagram assets such as Facebook pages, ad accounts, or apps. You can use a vendor. Okay. You work with vendors to help create, run, or manage your Facebook pages or ads, but want your business to maintain ownership of all your assets. Next point is you need control over access and permissions. You want complete jurisdiction over your assets without giving ownership to people who assist your business operations. Next one is you want your business to grow. You want to request access to other pages, ad accounts, and apps, or share your own with other agencies. And the last point is you want to keep your business secure. Business Manager is gradually introducing new safeguard tools through the new security center to help you maintain control of your assets. Okay, so if you want, you can learn how to create a business manager account by clicking on this link. So this is very useful doc. I'm going to share this link in the video description so that you can study further about business manager. Okay, so let's create a Facebook business manager account practically. Okay, so for creating Meta Business Manager, you just need to log into your Facebook account, then you need to write business.facebook.com. Okay, then you can see over here, let's get started with business tools from Meta. Okay, then I'm gonna click on create an account. Then I'll name the account as my YouTube channel name called Analytical Growth. Okay, perfect. Then I have to give a business email. So I'm gonna give my YouTube channel email over here. So analyticalgrowth@gmail.com. So I'm gonna click on submit. Just wait a little bit. So you can see over here, analytical growth has been created. Confirm your email. So I'll click on done. And if I go to the email, then I need to confirm it. So let's wait a little bit. So you can see over here, our business manager has been created. Okay. So in the next videos, we'll be discussing about all the useful features of the business manager, So you can see over here, like we have people, partners, system users, accounts, pages, ad accounts, data sources section. We have catalog, pixels, custom conversions, brand safety. We have domains, registrations. Okay, secure center, request, notification, business info. So we'll be discussing about them gradually. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how to create Facebook Business Manager practically. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.